Come test drive the 2022 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, wheel covers. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.